Okay, so last time we were at the course page where we have created a course, Introduction to Operating System. And the first section was automatically created, that is called as General section. So now we will see how to edit the name of the section. So for that, first of all, you need to make sure that your course is in edit mode. By default, you will see your course is disabled. I mean, the edit mode will not be enabled. So see the top right corner where there is an option of edit mode. Enable it. So once it is enabled, you will be able to set the course settings, right? So first of all, I wish to change the name of this section. So I will click on edit and then I am going to make it as announcement and discussion section, which means it will like the overall, it will behave like a overall announcement and discussion section for the course. Whenever a teacher makes to wish any kind of announcement, or after completion of the course you want to discuss some queries or other things, then you can have this section here. So the name is edited. By default it is having one activity announcement. If you don't want this activity, you are in edit mode, you can delete this activity by using this three dots and click on delete. This activity will be deleted. Anyways, I wish to have this activity. Now, I am going to create a discussion forum where the student can put their query and other students, including teacher, can answer. That you can that you have already seen in so many discussion forums, for example Quora or other discussion forums, where we can put the query and other participants can give the answer. So it's not like that ki only teacher can give the answer, any student can opt to give the answer, right? So for that you need to click on activity, add an activity. So I am clicking on add an activity. Now, you have to click on all. There are various type of activities available in the LMS. So you will click the forum because you wish to create a discussion forum. So you will click on the forum. Now specify the name of the forum. तो यहाँ पर आपने नाम दिया, सपोज करिए कोर्स डिस्कशन. There you can specify the description as well. Here you can put your query regarding the course, right? So this is the message I have given, but this message is not going to show till you will not click on display description on course page. तो आपने ये कर दिया. Rest changes you should not do because other changes are by default, right? So I am clicking on save and return to the course. Now let's see what is the view of my course. So this is the view of my course. The first section is automatically created, which I have edited. I have made it announcement and discussion. One section was already there, announcement. If you don't want, you can delete that section. And one activity I have created that is called as course discussion. Now I wish to see how this course page will look like if the student will see. So for that, you do not require any student login. Just click on your login. यहाँ पर टॉप राइट पर अगर आप देखोगे, you will see your login and click on switch role. When you will click on switch role, you will have various options. You wish to see a role as a student, so click on student. Now you can see that the student will see the course page like this. So there is no edit option. The student can see the options that you have already created. Now I wish to put the query. So I will, as a student, so I will click on the course discussion forum, and then I will add the discussion topic. So suppose I have, I'm sorry, the query will be here in the description and the subject will be here. तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया memory management, right? And post to the forum. Now, one question is posted in the forum and anyone can answer this question. So I'm switching the role again. So return to my normal role. Fine. Now, as a teacher, I can see that there is one discussion started by the student. So anyone can answer to this discussion. So suppose I wish to answer. So I will click on reply and then I can make the answer. It is simple like a discussion forum that you have seen at the various places. So in the next section, so I'm going back to the course page again. In the next session, we will see that how to create the subsections.